Good morning, you guys. It's 10:11 right now. 10 in the morning, you guys, and I am here at Outback. I have a Cartwheel order that I'm coming to pick it up. It's $30, you guys, $30. And since 8, I was doing Lyft, and so far on Lyft, I have $43, $46 between that. I don't remember. Yeah, so the pickup time for my catering order is 10:24. So, but I think right now it's ready. So I'm about to go in to check if it's ready. So let's go in. The door is locked. Maybe I should go the other way. Let me go check the other way. Maybe they have another door. Nope. Let me go the other way. We're gonna be everywhere. And try to go at that front entrance. Yo, they stay closed. The open hours 11. They're gonna open at 11. Oh wow! But my pickup is 10:24. So let me go back into my car until 10:24. Maybe somebody's gonna come and ask me because I'm parked in a takeaway parking lot. There is somebody. Hello, I have an easy cater.
Okay, I have half of it ready. We're still working on the proteins right now. So if you give me just about maybe 10 to 15 more minutes, I'll bring it out to you.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
Okay, you guys, we're all good to go. This is everything here. This is everything. And we have some more here. All right, let's go. All right, all done. I don't have to set it up or anything. They say they're gonna do it, so let's go back. Oh, it's 1:49 right now. I'm about to go pick up my Zifty order because I have a Zifty order as well today, and it's $71, you guys. And I'm going to pick it up at the fresh market. So let's go see what we have. My first time here, and I really don't know what's in here. Oh, look at me. I forget to grab something, you guys. Hold on. Do I need my bag? Because this is a grocery store. Maybe they're going to put in a cart because they have a cart. Let me go check. Because I don't know. Should I grab a cart? I have no idea, you guys. But let's go in and ask. They say when I get here, I go to the register and ask. Do I need to bring a cart or something?
Yeah, I'll put it in here.
Okay. Okay.
It says you need 2.
Yeah, this is what we have. Now I'm about to arrange and try to put them over here. Okay, this is what I did. One is here, another one is here, and this is 4. So let's go deliver. Okay. Okay, this is it. We're trying to set it up, so I am good to go. Yeah, it's 2:45 right now. 2:45. I am back on Lyft after dropping the Zifty's order, and I'm waiting for a person. She's coming. It's $7. She's going 10 minutes.